In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Lark Player application not working. So if Lark Player application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the app. There might be some bugs in the application, so what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Lark Player. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Lark Player and tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you see the option for update over here, tap on it, wait for a while and the application will be updated. After you do that, the bugs will be fixed and the application should start working. If the application still does not work, there might be some problem caused by the cache. So in that case, clear the cache of the app, launch open app library of your device, find the application for Lark Player and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface of Lark Player. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option Storage and Cache that you can see on the screen. Now over here you can see two options, Clear Storage, Clear Cache. Tap on this option Clear Cache that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the cache will be cleared and the application should start working. If the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and reinstall it. After that, it will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device. For that, long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. Now all the temporary software glitches will be fixed and the application should start working. So that is how you fix Lark Player app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.